Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel Power Channel. Today we will show some differences between grade A, grade A minus, grade B in lithium battery cells. Okay, let's share some details. Grade A, all key parameters such as capacity, voltage, internal resistance have reached or exceeded the national standards and manufacturer's strict standards. The capacity is sufficient. The actual capacity is very close to the nominal capacity with minimal deviation. The performance is stable during cyclic charging and discharging. It can withstand high current charging and discharging. The dynamic consistency is better. The pressure differences is usually only about 10 millivolts. Grade A minus. There is no uniform and strict definition in the industry. It is general belief that the overall performance is close to grade A, but it may be slightly inferior to grade A in some non-key indicators, such as the capacity may be slightly lower than grade A high standard, and the cycle life may be a little shorter than grade A under the high demand scenarios. But the differences between grade A minus and grade A is not obvious in most of the normal use scenarios. Grade B. The capacity is relatively lower and there is a certain deviation from the nominal capacity. For example, the same nominal 3000 mAh of grade B core, the actual capacity may be between 2800 mAh to 2950 mAh. The internal resistance may be a little higher after a certain number of cyclic charging and discharging. The capacity and the performance decline is relatively obvious, and the consistency of the grade B is relatively poor compared with grade A. Let's see the differences in appearance and size between the grade A minus, and grade B. Grade A, no defects in appearance, dimensions in full compliance with the order and design requirements, smooth surface, no scratches, no deformation, no budging. The structure of each part is complete and tightly connected. Grade A minus. Appearance, basically no obvious defects. There may be very slight appearance problems that do not affect the use. The size is basically in line with the standard, but there may be a slightly larger tolerance than grade A. Grade B. There may be slight appearance defects such as minor scratches, or the length, width, thickness, and other dimensions do not comply with the order. Let's see the differences in market position between grade A minus, and grade B. Grade A. High production cost, relatively high price, mainly for the high-end market with very high requirements on battery performance and quality. Grade A minus. The price is generally between grade A and grade B, which is suitable for the scenarios that have certain requirements on battery performance, but hope to achieve a better balance between cost and performance. Grade B. The price is relatively cheap compared with grade A, mainly for some small energy storage equipment, ordinary power tools, which are not particularly demanding on battery performance. Let's see the comparison of various grading systems in the market. Gobel Power named them as HSEV, HSEV minus, LSEV, and ESS. The HSEV is the grade A. They have intact QR with test report, and the cell's consistency and capacity consistency is the best. HSEV cell is within 6 months, or when we send it out from our China warehouse. It may be older when you receive it, Depending on shipping time and the duration, it depends on overseas warehouse stock. And the grade A minus is HSEB minus. They also have intact QR with test report, but the cell consistency and the capacity consistency is not as good as the grade A. The differences between grade A minus and grade A is the consistency, and the grade A minus is mixed dispatched. Grade B is LSEV and ESS. They have B-marked QR with no test report, and the cell consistency and capacity consistency is relative worse. Gobel Power is a professional and honest battery supplier, providing customers with quality batteries and suitable power solutions. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. We are always to help.